Hello. Okay, welcome. Hii ni tutorial ya Suzana. Ni soro ambayo inapita hapo, ambayo inachezwa. Hiyo soro nachezea kwa string on the three strings, upper strings on the key of A, on the key of A. The song is recorded on the key of A. So nachezea hiyo song on the key of A. On the key of A, scale yangu ni hii. Pamoja. So on that scale, on the key of A, naanzia on the fifth fret, nacheza by the sixth string. Narudi nacheza on the second fret, I mean on the fifth fret nacheza my sixth string. Narudi nacheza on the second fret, nacheza this string. So inadali, so ni 6, so ni so unaona. That's how we go about it. Are we together? That's how we go about it. So inakuwa hivi yote. That's how we go about it. Fanya practice, subscribe pamoja.